Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. Today we see the making multiplication easier, and this multiplication making easier by using suitable properties. Now you know that all the properties, okay? Closure under addition, commutativity of multiplication, then distributive property, associative property. So these are property. You already know that. So here suppose your question is given 25 multiplied by 37 multiplied by 4. So how to solve here? Here first you have to use a associativity of multiplication. Okay. See here. Suppose we take a two numbers 25 multiplied by 37 in one bracket. We make a grouping property, that is associativity. Okay, multiply by 4. Okay, this is associativity. See, this is associativity, not multiplication. Means associativity means grouping property. So here we take associative. So multiply these two number 25 multiplied by 37. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry over. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 17. 15 16 17. Then next number 3 5s are 15. 1 carry over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we add these two numbers. Here we get the answer 5. 7 plus 5 12. 1 carry over. 7 plus 8 plus 9 means here we get 925. Okay, here we write 925, and here one is a minus negative integer and one is positive. So negative positive we get here negative integer, and is multiplied by 4. Now we multiply by this 4. So here we 4 5 are 20, 2 carry over. 4 2 are 8, 9 10, 1 carry over. 9 4 are 36 and 37. Okay, so here we get 3700, and again here one negative integer and one positive integer, so you have to add minus sign. So here we get the answer minus 3700. Okay, this is one way, but now we make is more easy. Okay, this is one method. Okay, this is little difficult. Now we solve the same question by using another way or easier way. So how to solve this? See here, suppose your number is same. Okay, this is your question 25 multiplied by 37 multiplied by 4. Okay, this is your question. Now you have to solve this question. How to solve this question? Here we use first commutativity for multiplication, means order property. We first change the order of the number. Okay, commutativity of the for multiplication. Okay, so here see here आपको ऐसे दो नंबर उसमें से लेने हैं और सिलेक्ट करने हैं जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन राउंडिंग फिगर रहेगा. ओके, सपोज वी टेक टू नंबर 25 you know and 4. 25 4 is 100, you already know that. So here we first take 25, then multiply by 4 and multiply by 37. Now we change the order of the number. So here this property is commutativity for multiplication or of integer. Okay, so here we use this property. Now we make a grouping. So how to make a group? 25 multiply by 4 in one bracket, then multiply by 37. This is which property? Here grouping property means associativity of integer. Okay, here we take a property associativity of integer or associativity for multiplication. Now this is second problem. Now we solve this. First we solve this. 25 for the, we get here 100, and here minus plus, we get minus. Multiply by 37. Now it is so easy to solve this. How to solve this? The 1 multiply by 37. 37 ones are 37, and put this 0 on the number. So here minus plus minus. So here we get the answer, same answer. So 30 minus 3700, and here again we get 3700. So this is easier way to solve the multiplication by using properties. Okay, so now we see here more example. Okay, to see the how the calculation can be made easier using properties. So here this is first example. In this first example you use two properties, commutativity of integer and associativity of integers. Second, see here we see next question. Now see here second question, 16 multiplied by 12. How to solve this? 16, now we use here expanding bracket. How to write the number in expanded form? 12. How to write 12? 10 plus 2. Okay, you already know that this is smart multiplication. You already learned this multiplication in your previous classes. 16 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2. Now here we use a distributive law of multiplication over addition. See here how to use here. 16 multiply by 10. This is first we multiply this 10, then this plus sign. Okay, then again this 16 multiply by 2. So here which law we use here? Or how to solve here? Directly how to solve this? Sorry, we solve this 16 multiply by 10 plus 16 multiply by 2. Okay, which property here? We here you have to use distributive law of multiplication over, this is addition, over addition. This is property or distributive property. So here this solve this 16 multiplied by 10. So 16 ones are 16, and we put 1 0. We get here 160 plus 16 to the 32. Now add this number. 0 plus 2 2, 6 plus 3 9, and 1 as it is. Means here we get the answer 192. Okay, this is your one question. Then again we see one more example. See here 23 multiplied by 48. This is your next question. Again you have to here use the smart multiplication, that is distributive law of multiplication. Over here we use subtraction. Okay, so here which is 23 multiply by, how to solve this? 40 plus 8. Okay, or 50 minus 2. Here 50 minus 2 we get 48. Okay, so here we use 50 minus 2. 50 minus 2 we get 48. So here we use distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, what is the law? A multiplied by B minus C, we get AB. A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. This is law. Okay, see here A multiplied by B minus C. This is your property. Okay, so we get A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. So we solve this. See 23 multiplied by 50. You multiply these two number first, then minus this minus sign. So here you have to write minus sign. Minus in bracket 23 multiplied by 2. Now solve this question. So here how to solve this? 23 multiplied by 5. You have to multiply by only 5. first we have to 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry your 5 to the 10, 10 plus 1 11. So here we get 115. Okay, so you have to write here 115 and put this 0 here. So here we get the answer 1150 minus plus minus. Okay, now second, this is minus sign. Now in bracket put 23 multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Here minus plus minus. So here we get the answer 46. So solve this. Minus minus we get here plus 46. So your answer is 10 minus 6 4, 4 minus 4 0, 1 1. And this minus sign, greater number, you have to write the greater number sign. Okay, this is addition. So here remember this minus minus plus. Okay, and here we have to use the minus sign because greater number is 1150. So your answer is 1104. Okay, here we use the distributive law of multiplication. Okay, now we see one more example. So this is last question and question 52 minus 8. So here 52 minus 8, see here which number is common is 52. 52 is common. Okay, so here first we change the sign of this number. We minus 52 multiply by 2 after this plus sign. Okay, this we take this number, can also be written as we change the sign here. Okay, 52 multiply by minus 2, we get same answer. Here 52 multiply by 2, we get again same answer 104 minus 104, and here we multiply by 52 multiply by minus 2, we get again same answer. So here we change the sign of this number. So here we get the new number 52 multiply by minus 8 plus 52 multiply by minus 2. We change this number. Okay, change the sign of this number. Okay, in multiplication we change the sign of the number. See here, because we get the same answer. Now 52 is common number. Here we get 52 and here also 52, both are common. So we write in, first we take 52 in bracket, we write here minus 8, this minus 8, this plus sign, and this is minus 2. Minus 2. Now we solve this. We here box bracket. Okay, this is round bracket. Now 52 multiply by which number here? Minus 8 minus plus minus minus 2. Okay, now you have to solve this. 52 multiply by 8 minus minus, here we do the addition, minus minus plus, 8 plus 2 10, and greater number is 8, so sign of greater number is minus 10. Now you have to get the answer 52 1s are 52, and we put this 1 0 minus, here is no sign and here is a negative sign, so here you have to write answer 520. Here which property we use? We use here distributive law of multiplication, okay, over addition. Okay, in this way you have to complete the question number 5, okay, in your notebook from exercise 1.3 question 5, exercise 1.3 question 5 in your notebook. Thank you.